Look at you. You mad. Look at you. You big man.
Okay guys, so I'm in the middle of multitasking. I ended the video because I thought that was the end of the video, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with a second batch of resin, which is over there already mixed, and then going to add some more crushed glass. It's mixed with fine silver and chunks of gold. That's just leftover crushed glass. What I want to do is I want to make this side more permanent and probably add a few bits and pieces around what's already there. And you see that shine, you see that shimmer is already there, baby. But I'm about to move, so what I'm thinking is I'm gonna box up all the pieces that I haven't sold and use them as inventory pieces, and then all of my resin pieces is gonna be the art in my living room and probably my bedroom, but I like to keep the water pieces in my bedroom. So I have like a beach scene, a forest with a waterfall, and another beach scene. But all my other pieces that are just my regular fluid art, I'm going to use those as inventory. So I just want to come back at you with this. This is the dried result from the first layer of resin, which is technically already 2 coats. So technically the flood coat is going to be the 3rd coat with more crushed glass. Okay, y'all, I'm going to sound strange because I got the mask back on, but this is the 3rd flood coat done, or 3rd layer of flood coat done. I added more crushed glass and I let it drip off of the sides. So, but there is tape around the back. Take you in for a close-up. I literally just finished, so it'll have to level out. And this isn't the most leveled table, but hopefully I spreaded it out with the spatula a little bit, so hopefully you can't really tell. And that's that.